Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in Look Fantastic November 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Look Fantastic November 2022. So if you are new to the subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It cost, they changed the price, lovelies, but I know it costs £15 a month plus the shipping fee, and every month you will receive 6 beauty products from makeup to skincare. And the only, I am sure, lovelies, because I subscribe for a year, it will cost you only £13. So yes, so if you subscribe for a year, it will cost you only £13. All the info, as always, all the link will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. So for this month box, lovelies, gray. So yeah, it's like a simple gray box. It says Look Fantastic Beauty Box, and when you open it, this box, you will get a quote, and it says sparkle your way through party season, #LF Beauty Box. And then we have the booklet for this month, but let's see first the spoiler for next month, which is, I'm really excited. As I said, I subscribed for a year, so I'll definitely receive this box. So for next month, lovely, it's from Medic 8, and this is the micellar mousse purifying and nourishing effortless rinse off cleanser. Ooh, so yes, I tried few products from this brand and it's really good, so but I never tried this product before, so we'll see. And this month theme, it's the party prep. I think we have the white tissue paper here. Let's open this box. So the spoiler for this month, 2 items, lovely. One is from Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray Magically Transform Texture Amazing Humidity Proofing Powers, 50 ml. I really don't want to blind you, lovelies, but it looks like that. And this one has 50 ml. This is just a travel size, and this one, it doesn't say anything about price, but I will pop in here, and it says encourage smooth sleek hairstyles with this anti-humidity spray, a heat activated spray designed for all hair types. So yes, here we go. And then the other spoiler for this month is from Avant. This is the Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Eclat, and I know this one is very expensive. It's this, I think, around 85 pounds, and it says lightweight with a silky texture. This primer creates a smooth canvas that's all ready for any kind of makeup, and this one has 30 ml. And as I said, if you follow me for a while, lovelies, you know that Avant products, it's not really my favorite one. I usually give them away because it doesn't work on my skin. I had a bad reaction from this brand, from their products, so yes, I will always give them away. I don't really want to risk again. I had like small little bumps under my skin after I used that one, so yes, I stopped using it. And the next one we have here is from Revolution. This one, makeup palette, and this is the mini reload palette, Velvet Rose. You know, lovelies, when I started, I used to love Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I still use them time to time, but because of their new coming products, I can't keep up with their new releases, but some of their eyeshadow are really good. And yeah, so here is the 6th shade, beautiful shade. There are nude shade, you have a shimmer here, glittery, another shimmer, a few mattes. Yes, perfect for next month. And this one, it says this palette is the formula you know and love in a mini format, perfect for on the go and travel. So yeah, it's quite tiny, so yeah, you can bring it everywhere. The next one we have here, and this is from Works. yeah, brush works. And this is the crease-free hair clips, and you have 2 inside. I will definitely give this one to my my daughter because I don't usually use clips. So these are 2 clips inside. So if you want to do your makeup on and or skincare and you want your hair away from your face, so yeah, you just need to clip it. So yes, so I usually don't use that kind of clips. It says here, useful when it comes to sectioning and styling wet or dry hair. This set of clips contain robust hair clips and soft bottom. So yeah. And then the next one we have, it's a makeup brush. So it's perfect because you have an eyeshadow palette here and a makeup brush. And this one is from Luxy Beauty. Let's see inside. And this is the 205 tempered blending brush. So yes, I have Luxy brushes before and I know they are very soft. They don't lose any bristle during the washing one. So yes. And this one, it says so this one, lovely, is this a full size, and you can receive this one here or the shader brush. And it says great professional makeup looks with this shading eyeshadow brush, a handcrafted high quality tool that expertly buffs out product on the lids. I love receiving brushes in subscription boxes. You can never have too much brushes in my opinion because I wash them every week. So yes, glad that we have one in here. And the last product we have here, and this is from Bondi Sun, and this is the Pure Soft Tanning Sleep Mask with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. I hope you can see it, lovelies. But this one, it has only 10 ml. It's a very tiny product. And it says create the illusion of sun-kissed glow with this self-tanning sleep mask. So yes, that's all the product that I received. Let's do a recap, lovely. So you will receive deluxe sample size from Bondi Sun, which is I will not use because I don't use like a fake tan self-tanning product. So this one, I will give this one away. And then the other product that I will not use is from Avant. As I said, I had a really bad reaction from this product, so I don't really want to risk again. The Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Eclat 30 ml, and you will receive a full size travel size, but if it's I think it's a full size, I'm not sure. The Revolution eyeshadow mini reloaded eyeshadow palette, a full size product from Luxy, the taper blending brush, 2 clips from Brushworks, the no crease hair clips, but as I said, I will not use this one. And this one I will definitely use because I really do like this product. I tried this one before. This is the Magically Transforms Texture Amazing Humidity Proofing Powers. So yes, that's the products that I received, lovelies. Overall, it's not really my favorite box in my opinion. Just few products that I will definitely use, but not all, just few. 2, 3 products I will use, but the other I will give it away. So yes, that's all for my unboxing. What do you think of this box, lovelies? Are you waiting for this box? What products are you excited about? Do you like this box? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.